Hello folks, it's Ishii here again. I don't know if you go back, you'll probably find one that I talked about, this pipe that I made. And the problem I had was that there's a hole that went through the front right here where you can see it slightly, the light mark right here. You get it close, let me see if I can get it right there. It's a crack in the root, and it's basically a little gap that was made in the root of the briar. When I was carving it, it probably was a little gap from a sand or something. It was going through all the way into the ball, and I thought it was going bad, but just as a test, I decided to do something to plug it. I heard some people using earthware to plug it, but I wanted to try something that I already have around the house and try to plug it in. And I use was this. It's a balsa wood pipe filter. I took one of these and basically made a small piece of it, just kind of like this, and cut it in another half, make it small, and I twisted it into the size that looks more like this right here, and soaked it in honey, well actually dipped it in honey, and I took a needle point. First, it was big enough that I used the tip of this, which is a damper, the kit for a pipe, and kind of started filling it in. And probably I did 3 or 4 of them in there, and I treated the inside with honey. Tried to coat up much as possible, so I let it kind of sit in this form where the hole is here. So it's not exactly straight, but kind of slanted towards the hole, and see if I can get more to sit in it. And good news is it worked. I smoked, where is it? My favorite signature series. And 5-6 smoke in, no problem. And I just got done smoking it, and I actually smoked 2 different pipes. I smoked one with my ishii-san, which is this one here, and see if there's any taste difference, because of a lot of people say honey makes it taste kind of sweeter or milder. First one, yeah, but after the first one, it didn't make any difference. But yeah, it seems like one way to plug in a hole when you're making a hand, carved pipe like this. If you hit a hole, maybe a good time to try this little trick that I figured out. I don't want to make it too long, but yeah, it works. Try it out. Have a good one.